Hello everyone, I am Sinai and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I decided to create this beautiful ombre and reverse eyeliner ombre half cut crease makeup. That was a mouthful. So since it's a reverse makeup look, so the eyeliner is the opposite of the eyes, you can see that I have glitter in the inner corner of my lids, and then for the eyeliner it finishes off with glitter. Another thing that I did want to mention is I am reviewing this bad boy right here for that other video that I created because I filmed 2 videos in one. So if you guys want to know if this foundation works and my thoughts about it, then you can watch that video once you're done filming this. Then you can go ahead and watch that video once you're done watching this one. But for this video, if you guys want to know how I created this beautiful look right here, then go ahead and keep on watching. Vámonos a empezar. Entonces vamos a empezar con este color aquí. This color is going to work as my transition. So I'm going to add that all over my crease, above my crease, under my crease, to the side of my crease, to the other side of my crease, just all over. What you want to do is start in the outer corner and slowly work your way in towards your inner corner as you're moving your brush in circular motion. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend this color right here with this beautiful brick dark red right here. I'm gonna add that to my crease and a little bit above my crease, but not so high up because I do not want to cover my transition color. So you want to go ahead and place it in the outer corner, and then whatever you have left, you can go ahead and just drag it towards your inner corner. So for you guys, as you guys are watching this video, it may look like this is the second time I dip my brush into the product, but that is not true. Let's go ahead and count how many times I actually went back and grabbed more product. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 8 times that I went in and grabbed more product to get it as pigmented as it is right now. So don't feel that in the first dip you're gonna grab a lot of pigment and it's gonna be super pigmented, because this is what you see in most of the videos. And no, it does not work that way. If you've been watching my previous videos, this is something that I always say, but I think that is super important to know. That is one of my biggest tips. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go back into my transition color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start blending a little bit more, just to make sure that I don't get rid of my transition color, and just to make sure that there aren't any harsh lines. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mixing both of these together, and this is just gonna give me more depth into the look. Add that to the outer corner, and then whatever is left on the brush, I'm gonna go ahead and lightly drag it onto my crease, and I'm gonna be super careful as to how high I'm gonna take this color. Now I'm taking a really small blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend the edges out to get rid of any harsh lines. And I'm gonna take a mixture of my first 2 colors, which is this one and this one right here, and I'm gonna add that above the color that I just added. Now to deepen the look even more, I'm gonna go ahead and grab these 2 with the black. Then I'm gonna go back into this little brush and I'm gonna start blending, and then whatever is left over, I can drag it towards my crease. So to cut the crease, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Master Conceal in the color 20. Now I'm gonna be taking this cut crease a little bit further out than what I usually do. Go back to this and fill it in. I'm gonna take my ring finger and just start blending the edges out right here. I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer with some setting powder. This beautiful gold color right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and wet it And I'm gonna go ahead and add it right here in the outer corner. Next, I'm gonna go into my first transition color. I'm gonna take the gold color, and then I'm just gonna start blending this too to get rid of that ugly harsh line. The next two colors I'm gonna take are gonna be this color right here and this one right here. I'm just gonna pop that right next to this color, so this empty space that I have right here. Then I'm gonna go into the last color, which is the brown mixed with the brick color. Then I'm gonna go back into the other two colors and just add it one more time. So this next part is totally optional. You don't have to do it. You can add some gold glitter to this section, or like me, I'm gonna be using the Stila Magnificent Metals, and this is in the color Golden Goddess. I'm gonna go ahead and create my eyeliner with this small lip brush and just some concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove the tape because I want to make sure that the eyeliner is even on both sides. Now this process is gonna be a little bit tedious, our eyeliner, but we're gonna do it backwards. We're gonna go ahead and start with the darkest color, a mixture of this one and the black one. And then I'm gonna take the brick color and mix it in with the orange red color. Okay, then I'm gonna take my first transition color and I'm gonna add that right next to this one. Lastly, we're gonna do the glitter. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. Then I'm gonna add mascara, which is the Voluminous L'Oreal Mascara. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Vegas Nay x Eyelure lashes. This is all I'm going to do for the top eyes. I'm going to go ahead and do my face makeup. Now, if you guys want to know how I do my face makeup, I am going to be testing out these bad boys right here, which is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 24-hour foundation. This is the new formula they have come up with. Let's go. Okay guys, so I just did my face makeup. Go watch that video if you guys want to know what I think about the foundation and all of the above. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my eyes. Take this color right here. Take this orange. But I'm gonna take this color right here, which I think is called Fire. And for my waterline, I'm gonna take this beautiful like bronze eyeliner by Morphe, and it is called Caviar. And for mascara, I'm gonna use the Tarte mascara. Now to highlight my tear ducts, I'm gonna go ahead and use color right here, which is Sunburst. Okay guys, so for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and take Morphe Backseat Love lip liner. Then for lips, I'm gonna take the MAC, and it's called Taupe. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.